Hi, we are going to look at the course coach level workflows on the BIMWERX Academy platform. When signed into your account, access your courses through the My Courses link. You might be a student level access user on certain courses while a course coach on others. In this case, this particular user is registered as the course coach on the BIM 101 Level 1 NZ Schools course. Since this user is registered as a course coach, this person will be able to access additional features above and beyond those of the standard learner. For instance, here we can see that there is a documents folder that would generally be hidden from standard students. If we access the documents folder, the course coach will be able to access elements such as the assignment score sheet. The assignment scores sheet is used to score assignments. This is an XLSX template that can be used with Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet-compatible software. From the course dashboard, the course coach will also be able to access user information. So scrolling down and accessing users will enable the course coach to firstly assign new users to the course. So you might want to click on Add User. From here, a list of available users will appear, and the course coach can then click to register any new users. Should the course coach wish to review any reports or assessments or assignments being submitted, then you can do that through the report link. So we'll have a look at this student's reporting by clicking on the reporting button. Once the information is loaded, we can see course progress and overall achieved skills and assessments. Notice also that this user has received a notification. That is because a learner on this course has submitted an assignment. Clicking on the notification will take us straight through to the message, and it says a user posted a document in the assignment tool course. Once we click on the link, it will give us a direct link to the uploaded assignment, which will take us through to the assignment section. Here we can choose to review the assignment by clicking on the submitted assignment. Once selected, we can download the assignment package. Using the score sheet, we can score the assignment, and we can do that by clicking on the Correct and Rate button. So once we click on Correct and Rate, it will take us through to a section where we can provide detailed feedback, assign a score, upload an attachment, which could be the score sheet, and send the message back to this learner. That will automatically update the results on the learner end, who can then continue with the survey and finally receive the certification.